Alright, what up? Damn. What up, y'all? It's Luke here. 392 Luke, OTX Luke. Don't really got much to say right now. I'm gonna give you a little slight introduction in a second, but for right now, I gotta go hit the wash. Meet up with the boys. We're gonna go downtown, meet up at car meet. So let's get to it. Gotta hop in the scat. Damn, this camera sucks. What the fuck's going on? Hey, not without a cold start. Like I said, man, we're about to head to the wash real quick, meet up with some of the guys. Jackson, they got this downtown show last Friday every month, so we're gonna see what it's about. Take the car to the wash, meet up with the boys. We're gonna roll in together. Should be a good turnout. All right, y'all, we're at the wash right now. Once I get this out, get it dried, looking good, I'm gonna introduce y'all to the crew. You can see who's all here. It looked like there was a good amount of cars here when I pulled in. They're all in bays washing and drying their shit though, so when I'm done in here, get to it. I'm not gonna lie, I was going to the car wash over on Michigan Ave, and this one does all the same stuff, if not better, and it's cheaper. So I'm glad the boys low-key put me onto this little spot. So, all right, we just got done with the wash. We got Zag behind me, 392 wide body, just like mine. We got Josh over here. He just put this SS on E85, full bolt-on headers. Little 300. Teddy over in the wash in his BMW. We got Tez over there in the C7 cleaning up. Mopar boys. Just waiting on Dom pull up in the cat. Sheesh. Keep pulling up in that thing.
We gotta wait for everybody.
No. Wait till I get behind it. That bitch smoking, I ain't gonna lie. Tez got that vet. Shit.
Bro, I got my black badges, all that shit on the way too. Like I got the black Corvette badge, all that shit. Just like step right on the ground as soon as you get in.
Man, Detroit Raps did their thing with this one. This shit's crazy. I ain't never seen some shit like this in my life, but it looked hard as hell. We got about 8 cars here. Should have like 3-4 more coming. I'll keep y'all updated when I come back in. Bro pulled up in a snake. Sheesh. I'm still trying to learn how to use this camera, y'all, so forgive me if it ain't panning right or whatever. I gotta get new controls for this DJI. There's like so many custom wheels you can get. Make this bitch maneuver easier. So bro got the GT down there. You gotta start somewhere. I had a GT all-wheel drive before I had my scat.
Hey Joshua!
SHO.
What's up, Lukin?
What up, dog? This ain't no normal Taurus, shit.
What are you two criminals?
Man, I need to come vet. This bitch is hard as hell. Dude, we got so many cars pulling up, it ain't even funny.
I need my
E85. I just need my charge pipe, blow off valve, fuel
Shit.
pump, intercooler. That's it.
That's it. Dom in the Hellcat.
It's 6:31, motherfucker.
Okay.
Yeah, I told him I'd give him $1 and he's here by 6:30. It's 6:31. 6:31, you're low. Nah, you low. You don't get your $1.
God damn. This bitch goes stupid.
I don't care nobody said this stuff.
JLT just like me.
I don't even know what's doing. This is just
Real,
shit.
bro. I just know, like, you know what I'm saying? Just comparing two stock ones versus this one, bro.
So you gotta stop.
I'm dirty as hell. This bitch been sitting for a while. I ain't know this bitch been. That's why I make this thing.
JOT.
This bitch a manual. That bitch sound crazy. Mr. Evade just got here.
I never asked you that. Damn. Over there. Baby Tron. Who is that? Donovan. Bro, I feel like this bad luck right here. This duo.
Hey, bro, this shit's like Joseph. I can't get my phone.
What was that?
This was my exchange student. Y'all better be nice to him. He doesn't know much English. English. It's not gonna be good coming from me, especially if I be under the influence of alcohol. Oh, I started slurring my words.
All right, y'all. We finna head to Leak Shop with the chrome green Hellcat. He's got a little car dealership. We finna pull up there real quick because we got a big group. We're gonna take some photos and shit, and then we're gonna head down to that meet I was telling y'all about.
Them niggas did a one roll. Man, just kept on flowing. We can do a 45.
Damn, this bitch already almost dead.
Them the last time
My battery pack didn't come yet.
Really?
Yeah, the one that got like the Bluetooth and all the shit built into it, Wi-Fi.
Eric, get out.
Kurt just pulled up in the Stang. What's good, bro? Good.
That truck was 20 years old when you was born, son. It's like a 70.
Oh, when I tell you I felt that exhaust fucking shake my insides.
How's it going today, guys? It is 75 degrees out. And whoop-ah!
Damn, that was close as hell.
They're gonna look crazy.
Big dumbass. I love the energy.
Man.
Eric, you want me to
It's quiet as hell. Darnell's big ass.
Shit.
When that came out,
Look at this dude.
Wolverines was like
Big
17-time champions. Gang, gang. Why not me? Why me? Don't listen to him. That's not the car plug, I know.
Man, I was gonna say.
You want to race me? I'll race you.
Hey, that's my boy Devin. I can get him back here real quick.
Lil Wayne say, I don't bust back because I shoot first.
Hey.
What you do? Food review.
Corner page. Hell yeah.
1 through 10. Is it worth the
It ain't gonna
$18?
be just a stoner page. I'm gonna get high on my shit.
Always said it's pretty straight right now. No,
Hey, right here, right here.
How do you turn it up?
Hey, Nicholas. Nicholas. Let me spark some rubber.
Hey, Darnell.
That ram from the rail on the corner mile. I like them bourbon, man. I like the bourbon.
Man, for a stock scat, people do be coming up to it and looking at it. Gets love no matter what.
All right, y'all boys, we out here right now.
They want y'all to burn
Donnie, Brandon, Zach, and this motherfucker.
Keep going.
He said if you
got Monkey
more
Man.
Monkey Boy,
And
for an
the
exchange
spam eater.
The spam eater.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
How you doing?
I want to try spam one day.
Why that shit got aimbot on me though? That
Can you
shit
make
turning
spam when I come over, Eric?
We low-key got here a little late, but there's a lot of old shit. A lot more old shit than new shit. A lot more to appreciate for sure.
70.
Yeah, I don't roll right.
Yeah.
But I'll run quarter mile with the money's right.
money right.
What's the money right? Yeah.
$1,000.
Okay, maybe.
The fuck is that? K-Series over everything.
I'll team over the turbos if the money's right. If you negotiate the race right.
You got a Hellcat.
I ain't got to spray. I'm all right.
cold as hell. Them wheels are so cold.
Type shit.
Follow me on Instagram.
What is it?
Mustang. Loud and slow. Loud and slow.
Bro, he's gonna make my whole YouTube channel.
Here's some rubber for me. One time. You can afford it. You can afford it, Red Dog.
God damn.
Just yelling at people at the car wash.
Fuck. God damn you, bastard. Jesus, it's 2024, guys. Wait till 2025. I'm gonna pop out and show niggas. Hurry up! Nah!
Come on, Ted.
If you don't do a burnout, you're a pussy. Your mama raised a pussy. I knew it. I knew it, Theodore.
This motherfucker is back. Alright y'all, so it's the next day. I just realized I never filmed an outro for last night. We kind of had it out late. Some shit went on that wasn't recorded. Some old people wanted to start some shit. But yeah, man, if you like the vlog, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm just starting to get new at this. I never really introduced my car fully, so I could do that right now. But first, look at my new meats. I got 315s to go on my stock wheels, so I can go up a little bit in tire size. I went with this cheap Aturo brand. A lot of people are gonna roast me for that, but if I can get a whole set, all four corners for $600, that's just more the reason. As long as they keep up with what the Pirellis did, I mean, I'll just keep replacing them every 4,000 or 5,000 miles, so I can just burn out. I'm not really pressed about it because that's about the cost of 2 tires. So tread looks all right though. Yeah, man. So this is my car. It's a 22 Scat Pack wide body Charger. It's mostly stock. It's got a JLT cold air intake on it. It's got MBRP full race profile catback exhaust with 5-inch aluminum tips right there. But yeah, that's about it. I got some stuff in the works, but while I'm still paying on it and still have a warranty, I'm not trying to do anything too crazy. But yeah, if you got this far in the video, I know it was pretty long. I just kind of filmed a bunch of shit and threw it together. But if you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. You can find all my social media as well as all my friends' social media down below whose cars were featured. I know they're a lot bigger. They do a lot more content than I do. So yeah, if you guys don't know them, make sure to go check them out. But it's been OTX Luke, 392 Lou. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.